Kitchen gadgets are getting smarter, faster, and a little ridiculous in the best way. I'm showing you 20 genius inventions that slice fruit in seconds, seal butter for weeks, and separate eggs without touching a shell. If you've fought a stuck jar lid or a slippery mango, this one's personal. Links are down in the description. Smash like, subscribe, and let's start. At number 20, Rocking Herb Chopper. This bowl-shaped tool holds a curved blade that rocks back and forth inside a wooden or plastic bowl. You place fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, or parsley inside the bowl, and then you rock the handle side to side. The curved blade chops the herbs into small, even pieces in only a few seconds. This tool keeps the herbs contained inside the bowl, so nothing flies off the cutting board. The wide blade covers a larger area than a normal knife, which means one motion cuts more leaves at once. This tool also works on garlic cloves and small vegetables, turning a slow task into a fast one. At the number 19, Cold Butter Slicing Board. This gadget uses a row of thin wires stretched across a small plastic frame. You place a stick of cold, hard butter on top of the frame and push down. The wires slice straight through the butter and create several thin, even sheets in one motion. These thin sheets melt faster on warm toast or pancakes because they are not one thick block. The tool removes the need to use a knife and fight with a butter stick that keeps breaking apart. Some versions also include a cover, so the butter stays clean and fresh inside the fridge between uses. At the number 18, Silicone Garlic Peeling Tube. This gadget looks like a small rubber tube. You drop a garlic clove inside the tube and roll it back and forth on the counter, using light pressure from your palm. The rough silicone material inside the tube grips the garlic skin and pulls it away from the clove without any smashing or cutting. Within 10 seconds, the peel separates completely from the garlic, leaving a clean, whole clove ready for cooking. This tool removes the need to use a knife or your fingernails to peel garlic. It also removes the strong garlic smell from sticking to your hands. At the number 17, Adjustable Rolling Pin with Discs. This rolling pin comes with a set of removable rings that slide onto both ends of the roller. Each ring has a different thickness, so you can choose exactly how thick or thin you want your dough to become. As you roll the dough, the rings touch the counter and stop the roller from pressing down any further than the ring allows. This creates dough that is the same thickness across the entire surface, from edge to edge. Bakers use this tool for pie crusts, cookie dough, and pastry sheets that need to bake evenly without burning in thin spots. At the number 16, Egg Yolk Sucker Separator. This small rubber bulb tool works by squeezing air out before you place its tip near a cracked egg yolk. When you release your grip, the bulb creates suction that pulls the yolk upward and away from the egg white. You then squeeze the bulb again over a separate bowl to release the yolk cleanly. This tool separates eggs without using shells to scoop back and forth, which often breaks the yolk. Bakers use separated egg whites for meringue, whipped cream, and light cakes, while yolks get used for custards, sauces, and rich doughs that need extra fat. At the number 15, Corn Kernel Stripper Tool. This gadget has a row of small teeth built into a curved plastic body that fits the shape of a corn cob. You place the tool at the top of the cob and pull it downward along the length of the corn. The teeth catch each row of kernels and strip them off the cob in one smooth motion. This removes kernels far faster than cutting with a knife, and it keeps your fingers away from the sharp edges of raw corn. The stripped kernels fall directly into a bowl below, ready for salads, soups, or freezing for later use. At the number 14, Windmill Watermelon Slicer. This gadget has curved blades arranged in a circle, similar to the shape of a windmill. You press the tool straight down into a watermelon, and the curved blades cut through the fruit in a spiral pattern. Once the tool reaches the bottom, you twist the handle, and the blades separate the fruit into wedge-shaped slices while still inside the rind. This tool removes the need to cut a whole watermelon by hand with a large knife, which usually takes much longer. The slices come out evenly sized, which makes them easier to serve at parties or gatherings. At the number 13, pineapple corer and slicer. This tool has a circular, serrated blade attached to a long handle with a twisting grip. You place the blade on top of a peeled pineapple and twist the handle downward in a corkscrew motion. The blade cuts through the fruit, while a hollow center removes the tough core at the same time. As the tool reaches the bottom, it also carves the pineapple into spiral slices along the way. This removes the need to slice the fruit by hand into rings and then cut the hard center out of each individual piece with a knife. At the number 12, mango splitter and pit remover. This gadget has two curved, sharp edges shaped to match the size and shape of a mango pit. You place a whole mango between the edges and press the handles together in one firm motion. The blades slice around the flat pit and separate the fruit into two clean halves, leaving the pit stuck to nothing but itself. This tool removes the slippery, messy process of cutting around a mango pit with a knife, which often wastes fruit or slips against the slick skin. The two mango halves can then be scored and scooped out easily with a spoon. At the number 11, wire cheese slicer with handles. This tool uses a single thin wire stretched tightly between two handles on each side. You press the wire down through a block of cheese, and it slices cleanly through without crumbling or sticking the way a knife blade often does. The wire cuts through soft cheeses without squashing them, and cuts through hard cheeses without leaving jagged edges. This tool works on cheddar blocks, mozzarella logs, and semi-soft cheeses used for sandwiches or cheese boards. The thin wire also cleans much faster than a wide blade, since cheese does not stick to it as easily. At the number 10, twist strawberry huller. This small tool has a claw-shaped tip made of 2 or 3 thin metal prongs. You push the tip into the top of a strawberry, right where the green leaves connect to the fruit, and twist the tool in a circular motion. The prongs grip the stem and pull the core out in one piece, leaving a clean, hollow center behind. This removes the need to cut around the top of each strawberry with a knife, which wastes fruit and takes much longer. This tool also works on tomatoes, removing the tough white core near the stem in seconds. At the number 9, Star Grip Jar Opener. This gadget is shaped like a wide rubber star or cross, with soft ridges spread across its surface. You place the tool over the lid of a stuck jar and press down while turning your hand in either direction. The rubber ridges grip the metal lid far better than bare skin, which often slips against smooth or wet surfaces. This tool multiplies your turning force, allowing even tight lids to loosen with far less strength than pushing and twisting by hand. This gadget works on jars of every size, from small spice jars to large pickle containers. At the number 8, Handheld Vegetable Spiralizer. This tool has a rotating crank connected to a set of small circular blades inside its body. You place a zucchini, carrot, or potato into the opening and turn the crank handle in a circular motion. The blades cut the vegetable into long, thin strands that look similar to spaghetti noodles. This tool creates vegetable noodles in under a minute without boiling water or using a stove. The spiral strands can replace pasta in many meals, or they can sit on top of salads and stir-fry dishes for extra texture and color without added carbohydrates. At the number 7, Culinary Butane Torch. This handheld tool holds a small tank of butane gas connected to a trigger and a metal nozzle. When you press the trigger, the torch releases a thin stream of blue flame that reaches very high temperatures within seconds. This flame browns sugar on top of custard desserts, melts cheese on dishes like French onion soup, and chars the skin of peppers for roasting. The flame also toasts the top of meringue without cooking the inside of a dish. This tool gives you direct, controlled heat in one exact spot, without needing to turn on an oven or broiler. At the number 6, Angled Measuring Cup. This measuring cup has slanted lines printed on the inside wall instead of straight, flat lines around the outer rim. Because the lines slant toward the center, you can look straight down into the cup from above and read the exact measurement without bending over. This removes the need to lower your head to eye level with the cup, which most standard measuring cups require for an accurate reading. The angled design works well for liquids like water, oil, and milk, giving a clear view of the exact line while your other hand stays steady on the counter. At the number 5, Magnetic Nesting Measuring Spoons. This set of measuring spoons contains small magnets built into the flat sides of each spoon handle. When you place 2 spoons of different sizes near each other, The magnets pull them together and snap them into a stacked, joined position. This keeps the spoons connected in one neat stack instead of scattering across a drawer in different directions. Each spoon still measures its own separate amount, from a teaspoon up to a full tablespoon. This tool saves time searching through a drawer, since the full set stays connected and easy to grab as one single piece. At the number 4, Instant Read Meat Thermometer. This tool has a thin metal probe attached to a small digital screen. You insert the probe into the thickest part of a piece of meat, and the screen displays the internal temperature within a few seconds. This removes the guesswork of cutting into meat to check its color, which often lets juices escape and dries out the final dish. This tool detects the exact moment chicken, beef, or pork reaches a safe temperature for eating. Some versions also include a light on the screen for reading the numbers clearly, even in a dim kitchen or an outdoor grilling area. At the number 3, Citrus Press Juicer. This tool has 2 curved metal or plastic pieces connected by a hinge, similar to a large pair of pliers. You place half of a lemon or lime, cut side down, into one of the curved sections, then squeeze the handles together. The curved shape presses the fruit inside out, forcing the juice through small holes while trapping the seeds and pulp inside. This tool extracts far more juice than squeezing the fruit by hand, since the pressing motion reaches deeper into the fruit's flesh. The seeds stay completely separated, so no seeds fall into your drink or recipe. At the number 2, Self-Stirring Mug. This mug contains a small battery-powered spinner built into the bottom of the cup, hidden beneath a sealed plastic base. You press a button on the side of the mug, and the spinner rotates continuously inside the liquid without any wires or plugs. This tool mixes powdered drinks, coffee creamer, or protein powder into liquid completely, without needing a spoon or manual stirring. The spinning motion runs for several minutes at a time, keeping ingredients blended even if the drink sits for a while. This mug works for hot drinks like coffee and cold drinks like protein shakes. At the number 1, Butterbell Crock. This gadget uses 2 ceramic pieces, a small cup-shaped lid and a wider base that holds water. You pack softened butter tightly into the inside of the lid, then pour a small amount of cool water into the base. When you place the lid upside down into the base, the water seals around the edge of the butter and blocks air from reaching it. This seal keeps butter soft and spreadable at room temperature for several weeks, without spoiling or smelling. This tool removes the daily choice between hard, cold butter from the fridge or butter left out and exposed to open air.